Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and today we have the Ultimate Game Dev Humble Bundle. That's not my wording, that's actually what it's called. Now, a few things before we get into this. First off, yes, I sound a little weird. I am losing my voice, so this is going to probably be a short video. On top of that, I'm actually recording this from my hotel where I barely have internet. This was actually all downloaded at like dial-up speeds, so I'm not going to go into the amount of detail I'd normally like to with these Humble Bundles, just so I can't download them. It actually took me overnight to download the few that I have right now, but this is an awesome bundle. This is what you see in front of you. This is from Laertes Studio. There is a ton in this bundle. This is one of the examples. This is their Victorian steampunk city environment, and you can just see here, very high quality stuff. What you're seeing, this is hidden here in Unreal Engine. It's also available, a number of the assets are in Unity, and as you've seen from previous videos I've done, and if there's enough demand, I can show you this again. This can be exported and used in the Godot game engine. So again, if you'd like to see that in detail, do let me know in the comments, and once I get back home, I can potentially do such a video. But it's very nice looking asset, I would say. And this is one of three I got downloaded. Now I'm only going to show you the Unreal Engine side of things today, simply because I couldn't get any of the Unity things to download where I am. Unreal has a download manager, so if things fail, it continues to download them. But when it comes to Unity, all of the assets are actually going to be hosted on Itch Road. And if your internet absolutely sucks, it's hard to get things downloaded. So here you can see, this is another example. Let's go into game mode here. This is a cyberpunk city environment. And everything you see to create these environments, by the way, is modular in nature. So go over here. Let's look at the overview map. So you can see all the things used to create it are available here. So it makes things very easy to use or reuse in other settings. So that is another example here. Plus, we've also got some very stylized things, such as this guy right here. This is the stylized ancient temple environment. Let's load that guy up right now. And go away. So you can get an idea of what this environment is like. So again, this is a bit of a different art style, more of a stylized, cartoonish style. And this is what you're getting in this environment. So those are three of the examples from this particular bundle. Let's go take a look at it itself. So once again, it's called the Ultimate Game Development Software Bundle. The key guy behind this is Laertes Studio. They're very popular from what I can tell from responses here. As I said here, it is a mix between Unreal Engine and Unity. The Unreal Engine stuff is all redeemed on the Epic Game Store. The Unity stuff is redeemed on Gumroad. Now, it's kind of annoying. You basically have to add each item to cart, and then you can use a single checkout code, or you can get things one at a time. With the Unreal Engine stuff, it is all redeemed on the Unreal Engine store. Now, in terms of how this stuff works, it's organized into tiers. You buy a high-value tier, you get all of the stuff below it. You decide how your money is allocated between Humble, Charity, the publisher, and if you so choose to do, and thank you so much if you do, to help support Game From Scratch. And yes, I am more and more slowly losing my voice. So let's wipe this one up. So at the $1 tier, you are getting these 7 assets, including a discount coupon here for Gumroad stuff. So you're getting a number of Unreal and Unity assets here. Also, you're getting some things such as the distribution tool here for the Unreal Engine add-on. A median tier, you're getting another 23 items. Yes, this is a massive bundle. And you're getting environments such as cyberpunk, medieval, Victorian, retro punk, some abandoned environments, some post-apocalyptic stuff here, some real-world stuff here. And then you're getting some packs such as Viking weapons and shields, interior environments, a vintage bar, some more weapons for post-apocalyptic worlds, some more environments. Just a huge amount of stuff in here. Also, you're going to notice you get some sound effects in here, as well as some tutorial stuff here as well. So this is a time-lapse tutorial for doing interiors for Unreal Engine, and more environments, and so on. And then at the full-fat tier here that we're looking at 61 items here for, what is that, $30 Canadian. So you're getting a ton of stuff for your money. Here you're getting, again, more environments, a couple tools. You get the ultimate level tool for Unreal Engine, and then you get another tool tutorial here for Maya plus ZBrush, and then a number more environments. It's just a massive bundle. Even if you look at this, it's like, I don't use Unity. Well, you're getting like 25 plus Unreal Engine super high quality assets, and I don't use Unreal, same deal for Unity. By the way, again, I have done tutorials of getting stuff out from one environment to the other environment. It's not so bad. You have to jump through some extra hoops. The biggest thing you normally lose in those situations is animations, and that doesn't apply in this case at all. There's a few things here. There's a couple character bundles in here for the most part, but most of what you're seeing here is actually static meshes. But the cool thing here is you're getting stuff like this. These car environments are actually, or these car models are actually set up with blueprints that you can actually drive them around, like literally drop into your scene and have drivable vehicles as well. It's a hell of a bundle. Again, you can see here you got some more special effects stuff here, VFX as well. Just again, a quick reminder, all the Unreal Engine stuff redeems on the Epic Games Store. The Unity stuff is all available on Gumroad. Once you've got it set up, though, you can download as many times as you want. It's just be aware that with the Unreal Engine stuff, it's as if you bought it on the Epic Games Store, so you're going to keep getting updates as time goes on. With the stuff on the Gumroad, it's up to them if they want to update it or not. So it's not like an asset store purchase. It's one of those little things to be aware of. But I do think that Unreal is a little bit stronger represented in this bundle overall than the Unity stuff. But I think either engine, if you're using the one engine or the other, it's a great pickup. Plus, there are tools out there for getting from Unreal Engine over to Unity if that's what your preference is. So, ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate game development software bundle. Again, I apologize if the audio quality is a little off. I am in a hotel room. I would have liked to have gone into more depth once again with all of the assets in this bundle. I think it's some pretty amazing stuff here, especially if we started off with that Steam Deck environment. I think Steam Deck looked really good. Let's go here into the map. We'll do the overview map so you can get the idea of what's actually composing that particular bundle. So here are all the individual assets in here. Everything is super, super, super high quality. And yeah, it is a great bundle in my opinion. I'm curious to hear what you ultimately think of it. I will agree, the redemption process is definitely a bit of a pain in the butt, but I honestly think it is quite worth it. But I'm curious, what do you think of this bundle? Again, apologize about my audio quality, my loss of voice, and all the rest of that stuff. Hopefully back to normal soon. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.